Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm going to be taking you guys with me along on a realistic day. I just put on a regular t-shirt and jeans and I put my hair up in a clip. I just want to go run some errands and print some shipping labels because I've been selling more of my art. If you guys don't know, I have an art shop online. It's called Joy and Grace Art. Yeah guys, my hair is looking a little wild, but that's okay. I don't really wear a lot of makeup on the day-to-day. Also, I wanted to show you guys a few products that I recently purchased for the summer. It's still in the packaging, so I haven't used it, and it is by Supergoop. So it is a mineral matte sunscreen. It is SPF 40. So it should be really good. And then I also picked up the Unseen Sunscreen Body, which is this one. And this one is also SPF 40. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that.
Like for the first few times. I mean, then I get over it, and I think a lot of people are like that.
Okay, got that done. Now going back home. Hi guys, I'm back. I stopped at Whole Foods and I bought myself more of the yogurt that I have been loving, and I think I'm gonna make myself a little lunch and finish also my book that I have on my iPad here. There's an app called Libby where you can read a lot of books from your local library, and honestly it's wonderful because you can rent them and then just pass them on to the next person, and they're all in my iPad. So I'm gonna make some lunch now, and I wanted to show you guys this new wine country chicken salad that I've been really liking from Trader Joe's. And then I'm just gonna cut up some cucumber on the side and then have some kombucha. Here is the yogurt that I mentioned. It does not have any artificial sweeteners or added flavoring or added colors or anything like that. But yeah, I'm going to make some lunch now and I'll show you guys what that looks like after. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I have some cucumber on the side and then the chicken salad. And then I'm going to have some kombucha as well. I've been loving the trilogy, which is this guy. I used to really enjoy getting the ginger ale, but lately I've just been enjoying the plain flavor. Yeah guys, this is all I'm having, and we have our veggies and tons of protein here. Hi you guys, so I am brewing some water because I'm going to be making some matcha. It's a really hot day. I think it's like 92 degrees today. I wanted to show you guys some of the products that I recently bought. Oh my gosh, yes, it is 93. The first thing that I recently purchased were these little flower clips, which I cannot wait to style these. I've also been eyeing the MEJ clips because they're just iconic is the best word to describe them. They're so cute, but for now I wanted to learn how to style these, so I bought these in a set with different colors. And then I wanted to try out a new hairbrush to be able to brush my hair better right after the shower, because I've been using a wide comb for a long time, and while it's worked for me, I wanted to try an actual comb, and I've heard great things about this. So you may have seen this. It's the Tangle Teaser. I think this is going to be amazing. The last thing that I bought was a body oil. So I wanted to try this brand, which is a clean brand, and it's gluten-free as well. That's a plus for me. I've already used it once. I like it. It has a citrusy smell, and I really like the bottle as well. It's very cute. It's glass. And yeah, that is all. I got these 3 products recently, and I really like them. I've already also used my hairbrush, but I wanted to show you guys what the packaging looked like. And yeah, that is all. I'm gonna go finish making my matcha. Okay, you guys, I already brewed my hot water and I am just sifting so that there are no clumps. And then I like to froth it with my electric frother. I also really like that it foams it very nicely. And then I go ahead and put the matcha over. And I like mine to be really cold, so I put it in the fridge for a bit and then I bring it out. Okay, you guys, so I also really want to tackle my closet. I have a lot of things that I want to donate. I wanted to show you guys a little bit of that process. I don't have that much left because I have started little by little, and I'm going to show you guys the 2 bags I have. Okay, so here I have just a bag from Pete's that I've already filled. I have a Michael Kors bag, some decorations in here. I kind of want to keep this to be decorations. And then I have a full Trader Joe's bag. This is where all of my clothes is, and I really want to tackle these drawers and see what I have in here. I'm really feeling like I just want to make space and give back. I also have a air fryer that I want to donate. Oh yeah. Be patient. I have no patience. Okay, I also do have this dress. It's a little small on me. It might go. Oh, it's so hard, guys. So hard to go through my closet. Good morning, you guys. Today is August 8th. It is currently 9 o'clock in the morning, and I just finished my breakfast. This morning I woke up and did some reading and enjoyed my coffee very slowly during quiet time, and I started reading this new book as I finished my last one, which I will talk about a little later. But yeah, so I just finished my breakfast and I am now working on doing a big load of laundry. As you can see behind me, my bed sheets are scrambled because I'm washing them. So yeah, I think today I may just focus on doing some cleaning and chores. Alright guys, here is the new book that I'm going to be starting. I'm so excited. Well, I actually already started it and I'm on chapter 4, so not too far into it. It is so good. I absolutely love it. It is so funny and so interesting. Like I said, I'm already on chapter 4, so it is really good. So when I finish it, I'll give you guys an update and let you know how it was. Now I have to go to Office Depot and print a new shipping label. I've been constantly selling a lot of prints for my art shop. Like I've mentioned before, I have an art shop and I need to go ship that, and yeah, so I always like to ship as fast as possible, so I need to go do that and then come back and some chores here at home. Hey guys, I'm back home now. I just changed really quickly. I picked up my mail and I wanted to show you guys this cute sticker that I bought online from my car. So let's open it. Can you guys see that? It says "You look great" and it has a really cute happy face on it. But yeah, it just goes on your mirror like this and it has the cute happy face. It comes in different colors as well, but you guys know I love pink, so I picked that. I'll link it below. And she even wrote my name on here. I love this little thank you card. So that'll be fun. I'll probably do that a little later.